Hey guys, for the ones that don't know me, I'm Hunter and I'm back with another video. And today I figured I'll just do a review on my kayak that I've had for almost a year now. And I figured since I've had it that long, I figured I'll just do a review on it. And I hope you guys like it. Hey guys, this is my Pelican International 10-foot kayak. And the things that I like and I don't like is that first, I'll start with the things I don't like about it. Is this seat is, I don't know what, like, I don't know what it's made of, but when you're out on the water for like a couple hours, it's not comfortable. But I'm 6'2", and my feet goes all the way from here to the back. But to me, it's somewhat comfortable, but it's whatever, really. And it has these handles right here on both sides. That's perfect for carrying rod holders. And then the back for storage. And you can easily just pop them off and on. Same thing with that other one too. It even has a place you can carry it on this side, the ass end, and the front. And it even has a mount for like filming and stuff. A drink holder. Without anything in my kayak, it's 50 pounds. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.